Welcome students. Today I am going to explain from civics 5th lesson road safety rules and regulations continuation, traffic rules in India, steps taken by the government to prevent road accidents, traffic signs, road safety week, decade of action for road safety 2011 to 2020. Traffic sign. Traffic signs are there to regulate traffic, warns about hazards, and to guide the road users. Understanding traffic signs is essential. We should have a proper knowledge of traffic signs. The government has made it mandatory for a person who wants to obtain driving license to be well versed with the traffic sign. Traffic signs prevent the undesirable risk posed on the road to drivers and passengers in the vehicle. There are three types of traffic signs. Mandatory signs give order and need to be followed strictly. They are generally in circular in shape. Cautionary signs warn the users regarding road situation ahead. They are generally in triangular shape. Informatory signs give information regarding directions, destinations, etc. They are generally in rectangular shape. Traffic signals. Traffic signals is a signaling device that is positioned at a road intersection. Pedestrian crossing to indicate when it is safe to drive, ride, or walk using a universal color code. Red. This signal indicates to stop behind the stop line. Amber or yellow. This signal indicates stop. Do not pass through or start until green shows. If by mistakes you are caught in the yellow sign in the middle of a large road crossing, continue with care and do not accelerate in panic. Green. This signal indicates you may go if the way is clear. Steady green arrow signal. This signal may be provided in addition to the full green signal. This indicates to proceed with caution in the direction the arrow points. Flashing red signal. It means to come to complete stop. Proceed only when the way is clear. Flashing yellow signal. It indicates to slow down and proceed with caution. Different color number plates. Red number plate is used in the vehicle for the President of India and Governor of States. Blue number plate is given to a vehicle that is used by foreign delegates or ambassadors. White number plate, it means that the car belongs to a common citizen. Yellow number plate is for commercial vehicle. Violation of traffic rules. Road safety should be followed by everyone. There are about 400 deaths that take place in India every day because of road accidents. The number of injured is more than this count. People failing to follow the list of traffic rules made by the administration are the ones who suffer a tragic fate. Although there are traffic rules set, we fail to abide by them. The list of traffic rules, signs, symbols are displayed clearly on the roads. When we ignore these signs and break the rules, it is then that we are endangering our lives and the lives of others who are driving on the road. This is the reason why the government of India has become stern and charge fines for breaking the traffic rules. Here are some fines that you could face it if you violate the traffic rules. Driving without a valid license, a fine of rupees 5,000 on imprisonment up to 3 months. Driving without a seat belt, a fine of rupees 1,000. Drunken driving, a fine of rupees 10,000. Driving without a helmet, a fine of rupees 1,000, and the license is cancelled for 3 months. Car owners who permit juvenile to drive, a fine of rupees 25,000 and or imprisonment up to 3 years. Vehicles that have no registration certificate, a fine of rupees 2,000. Overspeeding, a fine of rupees 1,000. Vehicle without insurance, a fine of rupees 2,000 for both cars and two-wheelers. Breaking the traffic light, a fine of rupees 1,000. Overloading two-wheelers, a fine of rupees 2,000. Dangerous driving, a fine of rupees 10,000. Two-wheelers driving rules and regulations. Be a good citizen, obey traffic rules. Here are some important traffic rules and regulations in India. The registration number of your vehicle should be written down clearly. It should not be obstructed with any special lights or art which most youth do. The traffic rules and regulations of India permit you to use horn only when it is necessary. Use horns that come pre-fitted from the manufacturer of your vehicle. People driving goods vehicles or tractors should not exceed the number of people in the vehicles. They are also not permitted to carry passengers for money. The rules also do not permit you to drive in a zigzag pattern. The motorcycles these days have the high accelerating power. They should not be driven in a rash way. Overtaking other vehicles at a high speed is something very dangerous. Even the slightest it can be dangerous. Traffic rules and regulations in India strictly prohibit you from driving fast in the night. Although the number of vehicles on the road is less in number, the chances of accidents are not less. There are bicycles, animals, etc., which are not visible easily. Pumping into them with a speed vehicle can cause accidents. Never drive using high beam in the night. If you are behind a vehicle, do not use high beam. It is troublesome for the front vehicle to drive as a light effect on the mirror. Don't try to overtake a vehicle which has stopped on the pedestrian crossing. You may be unable to see pedestrian crossing the road which the other vehicle is waiting for. Always drive at nominal speed. Follow the traffic rules and regulations in India because they have been made for your own safety. Traffic rules, traffic safety in India. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 passed by the Parliament, which came into force in 1989, is applicable to the whole of India. On one-way road, the driver should allow the overtaking vehicle through the right. Never park the vehicle in reverse on a one-way street. On a two-way road, the driver must drive on the left side of the road. It is mandatory for the driver to slow down at all interjunctions and pedestrian crossing. Drivers should not use the horns in prohibited areas like hospital zones, school zones, etc. It is our responsibility to give a way to emergency vehicles such as army convoy, fire engine, and ambulance. Drivers should use eye beam only when necessary. It is important to dim the lights when there are oncoming vehicles or when driving closely behind another. When the driver is slowing down his vehicle, he is to raise the right arm and swing it up and down gently. When the driver is stopping his vehicles, he has to raise the arm vertically for the indication to other vehicles behind it. If the driver is turning right, he has to extend the arm straight out with the palm facing front. If the driver is turning left, he has to rotate the hand in the anti-clockwise direction. In case of emergency, the hazard indicator should be used, which will switch on both the indicators. On a two-wheeler, only 1 billion rider is allowed. The horn should not sound really shrill, irritating, or loud. Electronic horn is permitted. Parking vehicle in front of rescue vehicles such as an ambulance, fire engine, or police vehicle is punishable by law, and the individual doing so has to pay fine. Road Safety Week. Road Safety Week is a national event aimed at raising public awareness about traffic rules and ultimately to reduce casualties due to road accidents. It is also intended to reinforce road safety behavior among road users. Celebrating the road safety campaign was initiated by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. National Road Safety Week in India is organized by the National Safety Council of India. It is an autonomous body set up by the Indian government to engage the public on safety, health, and environment issue. National Road Safety Week is observed in the month of January every year. Decade of Action for Road Safety 2011 to 2020. Decade of Action for Road Safety 2011 to 2020, officially proclaimed by the UN General Assembly. The decade seeks to save millions of lives by improving the safety of roads and vehicles, enhancing the behavior of road users, and improving emergency service. Together, we can save millions of lives. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies suggested 10 points as follows. Together, we can save millions of lives. Stay safe near roads. Children are the future road users. Most effective strategies in developing road safety awareness. Best developmental ideas can be ingrained. Behavior change can be promoted. Lifelong benefits to a population at risk. Relieve socio-economic burden on public health, resources, and society. Attempt to safeguard children and prepare them as they gradually start making use of the road. To understand the traffic environment and how to function it, to develop independence with due responsibility, to know how to use roads safely, to develop self-esteem and valuing others right on the road, recognize the features of the roads in the local area, to recognize and understand that the children need to play in a safe places, to know where to stop, look all around and listen before crossing a road, to know the safest route to school. Rules are those principles which a society sets for the proper organization and management. Zebra crossing are those lines which we can see on the road to facilitate the pedestrians to cross the road. Red light means to stop, yellow to ready, red to go. Cross the road at a zebra crossing. Look right and left before crossing. Don't cross from behind a parked vehicles. Never play near the road. Always walk on the footpath. Steps taken by the government to prevent road accidents. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has taken a number of steps to prevent road accidents and road accident fatalities. A multi pronged strategy has been adopted based on 4 ES: engineering, enforcement, education, and emergency care for ensuring road safety. Improving vehicular safety standards. Trucks are prohibited from carrying rods. Anti-locking brake system has been made mandatory on heavy vehicles. Quick response ambulance are parked in every 50 kilometers on the national highways by the National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. 24 into 7 call center to receive calls for ambulances has been created. Speed governors. This devices has a series of sensors as that can detect how fast a vehicle is going and if this crosses the limit set by it. It restricts the flow of air and fuel to the engine. Variable message sign used to update road users the traffic conditions in case of major breakdowns, congestions, and so on. India signed Brasilia Declaration in 2015, through which the participants across the world are committed to improve road safety and ways to reduce the traffic deaths by the end of this decade.